Hello students, in this video we will practice some programs from string handling. So check the first question. Write a program to input a sentence. So sentence means what? A string, right? So I have to declare a variable as string data type and I have to accept that value from the user. So if you want to accept a string from the user, you have to use in dot next line. If you are using scanner class, you can use this one. And remember, this L should be capital. Okay, then next step, in most of the programs, if we need to give the condition, we have to find the length of that string. Then only I can give the range of I value. That means I'm starting the index value from 0 till the length of the string. I can increment the value of I. So I means each character in a string. So inside this range of values, I am taking each character and saving it in another character type variable called ch. Okay, so your question is, you have to find number of words present in the sentence. So how will you identify a word? Whenever the space comes. For example, take this string handling. So after this, you can find a space here. So then you can realize that it is a one word and after space this is another word. So in a string you have to find how many words in that string. So I am checking whether each character is equal to space. Okay, so first character I am taking, that means I equal to 0, that means S. So S is not equal to this space. So I am taking the value incrementing by 1. So the next value I am getting I value as 1. So I am taking T like that, R, I, N, G, and after G I am checking this whether it is a space or not. So if it is a space, I can count the word by 1. So I am taking a new variable called word count to if I want to count the word each time, I can use any variable and I have to increment the value by 1. So if I am not finding any space here, see the second question, number of letters present in the sentence. Only you have to find the number of letters. You don't want to find any space or what. Okay. So else you can find the number of letters in that string and you can increment that variable by 1. So first, when you get a string handling program, first you have to accept a string using in dot next line from the user, and next step you have to find the length of the string so that you can give the range of values, and in a string you have to take each character and store into a character type variable. Then only we can check according to this condition. Okay, so find the number of words means you have to find the space here, then only you can count how many words in that string. Otherwise you can count the letters. And finally we are printing that word count and letter count. Okay, and the second program is to accept a word or a string and display the new string after removing all the vowels present in it. So we have to check whether any character is equal to the vowels, like from capital A to capital U. Okay, so for example, I am getting a string value here and I am finding the length of that string, s dot length, and I will tell the use of this statement. Wait. Okay, so I am giving the range according to the length of my string and I am converting all the characters to uppercase so that I can reduce this length of the statement from capital A to capital U. If you don't want to convert into uppercase, you have to give ch equal to small letter a to small letter u. Likewise, capital letter A to capital letter U. Okay, so if this condition satisfy, you can skip to the next character. So if this condition matches, for example, if a character contains A means you want to remove that, you don't want to print that, so you can increment that character and you can add those characters into another string called S1. So that is why I created this step to a blank string I declared here, so that whatever characters except vowels will be stored inside this S1 variable. So finally I can print that only S1 values, that means without vowels. So go through these programs from string handling chapters once again so that we can do other string programs in next video.